Hello, welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. In this video, we are going to discuss about one more important electromagnetic theory question, that is from the scalar and vector potential. The scalar and vector potential already we discussed in the previous videos also under the electromagnetic theory core syllabus of the CSIR. So, according to your CSIR syllabus, after finishing the electromagnetic waves in conductors, one question I discussed, that is the skin depth is belongs to the electromagnetic waves in conductors. After going to finish that electromagnetic waves in conductors, the next topic is so scalar and vector potentials are there. So, under the scalar and vector potential, this question I choose. This question came in CSIR June 2013. This question came. Once you have to see what is the question, how we have to solve the question. Once you see the components of a vector potential A mu, they are giving. So, once you read the question, you have to write the data. So, what data they are giving? The components of a vector potential A mu is equal to A0, A mu is equal to A0, A1, A2, A3. So, they are giving the component of a vector potential are given by A mu is equal to, they are giving this A mu is equal to the data they are giving. So, what is that data? Minus xyz comma yzt comma yzt comma zxt comma and xyt is there, yzt comma zxt comma xyz, where k is a constant. We need to calculate the three components of the electric field. We have to calculate the three components of the electric field is equal to how much? The three components of the electric field means, so the three components of electric field Ex, Ey, Ez or E1, E2, E3 we need to calculate. How we have to solve this question? Once you have to see, first our vector potential A mu is equal to, they are giving. So, what is our vector potential? A mu is equal to A0 comma A1 comma A2 comma A3. This is our vector potential. Now, this our vector potential I have to use for our concern. How I have to represent this vector potential? I am representing as a in terms of phi, that is a scalar potential. This is A1 is going to the component of x component, A2 that is a y component, A3 that is going to take it as a z component. Already they are giving the given data. A mu is equal to minus, so A mu is equal to minus xyz, A mu is equal to minus xyz. So, minus xyz, k into minus xyz, which one they are giving? K into minus xyz, k also is there, correct, k into minus xyz. So, that is why you have to bring here k into xyz. So, k into yz into t, k into yz into t, k into zx into t, comma k into xy into t, k into xy into t. So, these are the things you have to see. Now, you have to compare phi is equal to minus kxyz, this is the phi value. Ax is equal to, what is your Ax value? Kyz into t. Ay is equal to, what is Ay value? K, so zx into t, k zx into t. What is Az value? Az value is kxy into t is the Az value, you know. Now, you have to calculate electric field, we need to calculate. How we have to calculate the electric field? Minus gradient of phi minus dou A by dou t. This is the your electric field under the under the scalar and vector potential. The electric field equation under the scalar and vector potential, this one. Now, you have to calculate first what is your phi? Your phi is x, y, z is there. Minus gradient of phi we need to calculate. So, minus gradient of phi is equal to minus into. So, I into gradient of phi is equal to what is that? Minus k x y z. This is the, so value you are able to take. Minus into minus plus, you have to write it is k into, so k into x cap, you want to take x cap, you have to take, so which one you are going to take it as a k into yz into x cap plus k into, so k into yz into x cap plus zx into y cap plus k into xy into z cap, you able to get, this is the minus gradient of phi. So, similarly you have to take minus dou a by dou t, minus dou a by dou t is equal to minus dou by dou t, what we have to write? Minus k into yz into x cap minus k into zx into y cap minus k into xy into z cap. So, therefore, we need to calculate, you have to add E is equal to, so you have to add these two expressions, you have to add. So, minus gradient of phi minus dou a by dou t, so minus minus plus cancel, plus minus cancel, plus minus cancel, plus minus cancel, you are going to take it as a 0 into x cap plus 0 into y cap plus 0 into z cap. So, therefore, your electric field components 0 comma 0 comma 0. So, these are the your electric field components. Like this you have to do in your competitive examination. What is your answer? Your answer is C, correct? So, it is very simple. You know the formula, how we have to apply the formula. So, that is the case we have to remember, clear? So, already we are informing, so we started the online platform that is Quantum Online Academy. So, we have one app, go to your Play Store of your Android mobile phone and download the Quantum Online Academy app. There you able to see the courses. So, that courses is CSIR and GATE physics content, only physics content, JL physics content and DL physics content is available. The CSIR and GATE physics content course, how it will appear? This course will appear like this, CSIR and GATE physics. This is a live plus recorded course now. So, now JL physics and DL physics, these are also live plus recorded classes are available. Now, mathematical methods of physics, individual papers also available. This paper is completely completed. Now, classical mechanics, this paper also completely completed. Now, you have to see here electromagnetic theory, almost 70% of the syllabus is completed. Electromagnetic theory, almost 70% of the syllabus is completed. So, now daily 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. in between 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. there is a live class is going on, that is the electromagnetic theory. After the live, it is going to become as a recorded, right? So, if you have to take the individual courses, 1 year validity is there. If you have to take the CSIR and GATE, so physics course, if you have to take 2 years validity is there. This course is 2 years validity is there. So, after finishing the entire the syllabus, after recording entire the syllabus, this 2 years validity I am going to take it as a 1 year validity. Please remember, please utilize this chance. So, 3 papers almost finished because 30% of the electromagnetic theory is there. So, those 2-3 topics we will finish. Maybe this week the JL syllabus of the electromagnetic theory also entire the finish. The rest of the 6 papers are there in the 2025. I kept the target within 2025 I need to finish the electromagnetic theory paper also. Please concentrate and practice. Once you have to practice, so if you really likes my teaching, you able to take this course. This course will help you to stand in front of the podium or to teach to your student with boldness of the subject, or to get the success in your competitive examination based on your hard work only, based on your hard. Once you have to take the course, immediately won't happen anything. Because you have to practice more than 1000 hours I need to teach. So 1000 hours you have to listen, and you have to muck up, and you have to apply in your exam, then only you able to get. Otherwise so immediately won't get anything. So you really likes my teaching, if you really sync my teaching towards your brain, understandable, then only you have to take. Otherwise it will take the big difficult to you and difficult to me also after taking that. So that's why once going to take, you have to call to me, and you have to confirm me, and you have to negotiate me, then only you have to take the course. So thank you so much. So please share and subscribe and like our YouTube channel to your friends who are there in the physics fraternity. Thank you so much.